Welcome to this Molden Media M2 Touch tutorial. This tutorial shows you how to draw in a scene with the MT Draw plugin. To show off an example, we prepared an easy scene. The plugin is under Built-ins, Container Plugins, Molden Media. Pick the MT Draw plugin and drop it on the container you want to draw on. In the plugin settings, press Create Lib and Pool Groups. Now these two containers appear. In the lib container, you put in all the forms you want to draw. In the MT Draw target, everything you have drawn will appear. With Kill Draw Session in the MT Draw plugin, you can delete everything you've drawn. With a few buttons containing the MTUI element plugin and a simple script, you can create buttons which you can give a mouse over or press animation in the stage and use to choose the different forms of clearing. Now let's see it in action. If you press one of the forms and move with the mouse into the rectangle that is chosen to draw in, you can draw. Same if you choose something else. With the X, you can delete everything.
Thank you for watching this tutorial and have fun using the M2 Touch plugins. For more information, visit us online at www.moldenmedia.com.